Changing your workspace name on SurveyMonkey is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your workspace name easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the SurveyMonkey website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your workspace. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the workspace you want to change in the left sidebar and click on it. Step 3. Open Workspace Settings. In your workspace, find the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as Settings. Click on it to access the workspace settings. Step 4. Edit workspace name. Within the settings menu, locate the field that displays your current workspace name. Click on this field to edit it and enter the new name you want for your workspace. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new name, look for a Save button option at the bottom of the settings page. Click on it to save your changes and update your workspace name. Now you have successfully changed your workspace name on SurveyMonkey. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section or reach out to support.